Okay, hello everyone and welcome again to another video lecture sa atuang algebra tutorial. So, wala gyapon tanong man aning complex fractions. So, we are now at complex fractions 3 with 3 examples. Pero diri nag-involve na ta diri og negative nga exponents. Okay? So, recall sa ta. Recall ang kung naa kay x raised to the power of negative n, and that is basically 1 over x raised to n. Okay, so kanila nga to ang recall. Then we can solve problems. So letter A. Suppose we are asked to simplify. So we are asked to simplify this problem here. So ato sang buhaton is we have x raised to the power of negative 2 minus y raised to the power of negative 2 all over x raised to the power of negative 1 plus y raised to the power of negative 1. Ato sang buhaton is gamiton nato ni siya, no? Para ma-simplify ang ato ang problem. So, ang x raised to the power of negative 2, mahimo ni siya og 1 over x squared minus ang y raised to the power of negative 2, mahimo ni siya og 1 over y raised to 2. And similar po diri sa baba, mahimo ni siya og 1 over x, kay exponent is negative 1 man, and 1 over y. Okay? So, muna siya. Now, kuha na to ang LCD sa ibabaw niya, LCD po sa ubos. Ang pinakasayon gid ni is either gamiton na itong method 1 or method 2. Pero sa nakita na ko diri, ang gamiton na to is katong method 2, no? So, method 2 ta. So, ang LCD diri sa ibabaw is clearly x squared times y squared. So, kana atong gamiton. So, we have x squared, y squared, no? So, x squared, y squared, divide mo na siya x squared. Kulang ang ato ang space. Dungag ta space to avoid confusion or mistakes sa ato ang calculations. So, ang LCD is, sa numerator is x squared, y squared, again, no? X squared times y squared divided by x squared times 1, that is y squared. Okay? Minus kaning x squared times y squared divided by y squared, that is of course x squared times 1, that is x squared. Okay? While sa ato ang denominator, klaro nga ilang LCD is x times y. So x times y divided by x, that is y times 1, that is still y, plus x times y divided by y, that is x times 1, that is x. Okay? And then, we simplify. So, may mo ni siya og y squared minus x squared all over x squared times y squared times katong ang division is may mo siya reciprocal. So, may mo siya x times y plus x. Okay? And then, simplify further katong mga common factors. Note, ang y squared minus x squared kaya pwede naman siya isulat as y plus x times y minus x, no? Difference of two squares. Two squares. Rather. Ngayon, na kay x times y over y plus x. Then, ang y plus x is common, no? Yan, na kay common nga isa ka x diri common po ang isa ka y, so may mo lang ni siya 1. Diri pod may mo lang pod ni siya 1. So this one simplifies to y dikit ra kayo. So this one simplifies to y minus x all over xy, and that is our final answer, or that is our solution. Okay. Next problem is kaning x raised to the power of negative 2 times y plus x times y raised to the power of negative 2. No, all over x raised to the power of negative 2 minus y raised to the power of negative 2. Ato na siyang idiretso na lang. So, ato na siyang i-rewrite sa into 1 over x squared. Nanong na y man na. Dapat x squared. So, 1 over x squared times y plus 1 over y squared times x all over kani siya, may mo na lang siyang 1 over x squared minus 1 over y squared. Now, kung makita na to, ang LCD sa numerator is x squared times y squared. Unya ang numerator po sa denominator is x squared y squared. So gamiton lang nato diri ang method 1. Mas dali ni siya. So x squared y squared all over x squared y squared. Ato na siyang i-multiply sa y over x squared plus x over y squared all over, that is now 1 over x squared minus 1 all over y squared. So, distribute and then cancel out ang mga common factors. No? So, mura mo na itong ginabuhat doon sa algebra. Distribute and then factor out the common factors or tanggalan ng common factors, cancel out. So, x squared times y squared, pag i-multiply mo dra, ma-cancel out. Ang mabilin na yung mga na is, may mo na lang na siyang y cube. Okay? Ang pikas po, may mo na siyang x cube. Dre, ang matanggal mo na, may mo na siya o y squared. No? 1 dra sa ibabaw, ang mabilin na is minus x squared. Now, ang kanabang y cube plus x cube kay 1 na siya. Ma-factor out. I don't know, no? Nalimot na po ko sa ubang identity. Pero anyway, atong i-try. Plus x cube all over na kadri makuha nga y plus x times y minus x, no? Pero kung ato na siyang kuanon, na ay identity ani in fact, no? Factoring sum of 2 cubes. Okay? So, na dito sa tuang kuan, na siya dito sa tuang tawag ini. Sa katong na-discuss na to last time. So, ato lang i-recall, no, nga ang a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So, basically, ang y cube plus x cube can be written as y plus x times y squared minus xy plus x squared. And then we divide that one with y plus x times y minus x. And then we cancel out the common factors. So that is y plus x. So we are left with y squared minus xy plus x squared divided by y minus x. Ang kanang y squared minus xy plus x squared, that is already prime. So, meaning, dili na namin siya ma-divide pag yun. Okay? Okay. And, napabatay isa ka buok na bilin, no? Yes, napatay na bilin. Ang nabilin na to, nga last example is kani. X cube, no? Plus, x raised to the power of 3 sorry. Plus y raised to the power of negative 3. All over x raised to the power of negative 2 minus x raised to the power of negative 1 times y raised to the power of negative 1 plus y raised to the power of negative 2. So, may mo rin siya 1 over x cube plus 1 over y cube all over, no? All over 1 over x squared minus 1 over x times y plus 1 over y squared. Now, pwede mo siya gamitan og method 1. Okay? Kung gamitan na to yung method 1, ang LCD na to, dria is basically x cube times y cube. No? X cube times y cube. So, you try that out, no? You find the LCD. But, the LCD actually here is x cube times y cube. So, ato na siyang i-multiply sa tuang kuan. Okay? That is basically the same. So 1 over x cube plus 1 over y cube divided by 1 over x squared minus 1 over xy plus 1 over y squared. So we simplify. We distribute. Kanang ma-distribute, i-distribute. Kanang ma-cancel, i-cancel. Pero ayaw sa nag-i-cancel kay mubalik ani sa mga dating problem. Okay? So, may mo lang ni diri sa taas o y cube plus x cube. Okay? All over, pag i-multiply na ni mo dira, ang mabili ni mo dira na is xy cube minus, ang mabilin sa taas is x squared y squared. Dahil ang mabilin dira is x cube y. Okay? But then, kaning sa taas kay cube man asla. As nakita na to gain na ang a cube plus b cube, no? Part na siya sa to ang recall. That one can be written as a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. So basically kanang taas may mo na siya og y plus x. Okay? Plus that is now x squared minus xy plus y squared. Okay? That is the same. Yes, that is the same basically. Bisan pag y ang iuna ni Modra. Hindi siya mag-matter. Okay? Then, there is sa ubos kay common factor ang x. So, o y, no? Common factor ang y o x. So, basically, we can factor out x, y. And then, ang mabilin diri is y squared na lang. While diri ang mabilin is, that is now xy. Then, ang mabilin diri kay plus x squared. No? And then, we notice nga, x squared, nata x squared diri, minus xy, nabuntay minus xy diri sa baba, plus y squared. So, basically, these two factor cancels out. So, the solution now is y plus x all over x times y. Okay? So, basically, ani class ang ato lang ginabuhat diri kay pwede ka mag method 1 or method 2. No? Depende kung asay mas pabor nimo. So, sa kaning case, mas pabor ang method 1 kay medyo complicated magud ang iyahang LCD. No? While sa gatong other problems, kay mas dali ang method 2. Okay, so that's the end of the video and I'll see you on the next one.